from your trailer brake. So off we went from upstate New York, and we kept getting ding.
Okay.
Want to explain what you're going to do?
So this part of the wire, this end, that's where it's worn, and you can see this is actually one strand of wire here, and this little connector, and I'm just going to put these in
this. Okay. So wear gloves. And I did clean off this surface, really optimal, and then this stuff is certainly more bound to stick. And this comes with a brush on the tip. In this wire